Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm in the garage again, which means I have an update on the 328i to share with you. Today's update is very minor, but I wanted to be sure to let you guys know what I'm doing with the vehicle and why. So here goes. So when I bought the vehicle, it had a front license plate mount on it. The problem with that though is when I took the mount off, there were holes in the bumper. So let me show you what I'm dealing with. So when removing the previous front bumper mount, you know, I'm in a state that doesn't require a front license plate. This is what I was left with. You can see that the front bumper, this holder was screwed directly into the bumper itself, leaving these nasty holes in the front bumper of the E93. So we need to do something to cover up those unsightly holes, and I have the solution. And here it is. So I bought a European license plate. This is the mount for the European plate. This is my first European car. And so it makes all the sense in the world to be putting a European plate on the front of it to hide those holes. Of course, this wouldn't have worked with my Toyota Camry. That would have made no sense. But let's see what we got. And here it is. I just unwrapped it. And you can see that it says 10 BMW E93 to signify I have a 2010 BMW E93. So I'm about to put this on the front of the car and hide those holes. We'll see how it turns out. All right, guys, we got the front license plate installed, and there it is. I think it looks pretty good. And above all else, no more holes. So it wasn't very hard to install, but you know, if anybody's driving around and they see a European license plate on the road that says 10 BMW E93, give JG Whips a call, pick that license plate up, and return it to its rightful owner. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you like the new license plate, and I'll catch you in the next one.